Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in getting this look, then make sure that you guys continue to watch, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I kind of wanted to do a Valentine's Day look. I know I've been asked a lot to do that, plus I've been slacking with my pimping as far as uploading videos. So here is a Valentine's Day look. I think kind of sorta, it's kind of sultry, but still gets you into that mode, you know. Anyway, these lashes that I have on right now, these are from my RJ Beauty collection. So you guys make sure you go to www.rjbeauty.com and shop. These are the Scarlets. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this lash because you get that sultry, sexy feel without it taking away from the eye makeup. And right now the whole entire site is 25% off. Use the code BLACK25 to get 25% off. Anyway, let's jump right on into the video. Thank you. Alright peeps, let's go ahead and get started. This look actually consists of maybe 2 or 3 colors. So I'm pointing to the 2 colors we're going to start with. We're going to start out with that lighter color and then go in with the darker color. And then we're going to use like a loose pink type of color to, you know, fill in or whatever. And then we're going to do like a glitter on top. This look was super simple. I apologize for not speaking throughout the video. If you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to comment on the video. But for now, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch and get into it. So excuse this, I am totally a goof troop. I apologize again about that. But now I'm going in with the darker shade color. We're just going to apply that right into the crease. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to comment and I will try to respond to all comments. Okay, so boom. Now we're going in with that loose pigment I told you guys about in the beginning. I got this from some little bodega around my house or whatever. It was only $1, so loose pigment. You can buy it online.
Now, excuse my face. I've not used this loose pigment in forever. So when I first put it on, like it totally took me aback. Like, oh shit, that was not what I was going for. But it did come out nice in the end. But I was a little scared to begin with. Okay, so once again, excuse my facial expressions. I am extremely dramatic. And right there, I could not see the vision. I couldn't see my own vision. So that's what was going on. And I dropped something. Anyway, we are now going in with just some random glitter. We're just going to pick some random spots. And this is glitter glue that I'm applying and just dabbing it there and then just randomly putting the glitter on. Once again, if you guys have questions, just let me know. All right, peeps, and that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys can use this on your Valentine's Day dates. Yeah, with your honey dip. Anyway, I'm gonna do some awkward posing. You guys make sure again you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I need the subs. Thank ya.